famous or outspoken, or just trying to live in the moment? Does it make you feel alive? And I'm trying to let you fake it your own way, but in time your mouth